To install a 4x2.5-inch simple swap hard disk drive backplate, align the backplate assembly with the slots on the chassis. Carefully lower the backplate assembly into the chassis until it is firmly seated. Reconnect the cables that were removed from the system board.